Man, what a frustrating, ugly day. Hey, fellow traders, it's Black Coffee Trader. It is Thursday, April the 16th. Doing my recap, and it doesn't look that horrible, but I am just mentally roasted. I was really done trading by late morning on the funded accounts. The bright spot, I had a winning trade on the opening range trade, and so account 105 and 106 had about a $500 win today, so that was really, really nice. Love to see that. And then I don't know why it is, but it seems like every freaking time I start trading new accounts, I have a red day. Three Apex accounts, first traded day, and we were down between 300 and 400 on those three. On the take profit account, down almost $500. So I mean, it is what it is. We can get that back, one or two good trades, and we're back to square one. But man, just frustrated with the market this morning. I could not find. Yeah, it was just tough. I was taking shorts, looking for moves to the downside. Had a very frustrating loss right here where I got ticked. I got stopped to the tick right here. I think that was it on take profit? No, it was on these accounts. Look at this. This is just, I mean, it is what it is. You got to tip your hat to the market and say, you know what, it is what it is. You're going to have this sometimes. But I mean, this is just textbook. We couldn't break down below. I got roasted shorting here. This had a couple nice setups that just didn't play. Here, looking like a rollover, looking like a rollover. We're in a downtrend, nothing happening. Wicks holding below this level. Get in short right there, pop up and fail. Rolls back over and then pops out. And now we get the EMA cross. Look at this candle. Wick candle holding, wick candle pushing, entered on this wick candle high. And then we have to get this stupid rollover right to this stupid tick. Like literally, right to this stupid tick. I'm not upset about it, not in the least. And then just ran. Like that would have been a $400 trade. Insane. And at that point, I was like, I'm done. I am done trading the funded accounts. I'm not doing it. I'm just not going to sit here and waste away and trade more of my funded accounts when I'm having a red day. I mean, I'm down $500 on the day. So, I mean, with the wins there, that's good. But just, it was frustrating with this price action this morning. And honestly, the price action all day, for me, it sucked. You had setups that looked like they were going to play and then just fake out after fake out. And I think the thing that really frustrated me even more is I wanted to pass these stupid take profit trader accounts today, and I made some profit on them. Yeah, so we're $400 away. But here's the untold story. I had these accounts under 100 away from passing today 3 times. In fact, at one time, the bottom account was $30 away, and I could not get it. I could not get it. I had them up to that point 3 times. Once I went all the way back down to red, all the way back up, and then back down to where they are here. So just frustrating. And I didn't trade the best. I mean, I was just trading to try to pass them. And took some risky setups, and when it didn't play, I just killed it. Took some break even stops, took some little knife cuts. It was just frustrating. It was just a frustrating day. I finally got a little bit back on this end of day move down right at the close, but just for example, stuff like this, like what I'm looking for, and this is about as clean as you get it. You get a hold of this level. You get a 1, 2, 3 holds, and then we break through. We go all the way down here. I stay out of all this because I really didn't have a trade. Maybe could have taken the VWAP break and retest. We push back higher, and what are we doing right here? This is a rejection. That is typically a rejection candle. I took the short. We're starting to get into profit. I needed it to get, somewhere down here, and I would have passed the accounts. We get to this point, boom. We just decided to rocket ship higher, and then we have, it looks like we're going to be rolling back over. That doesn't work. We pop back higher, and, we finally went. But it was just, I don't know. It was a frustrating day. I mean, yeah, the accounts are green, whatever, but I have to pass them tomorrow because the rebilling date is on Saturday. So hopefully if I pass them tomorrow, I will be able to activate them without having that rebill. I wanted to do it today to put one day in between, but it was just not meant to be. It was just not meant to be. And, we had a red day on the funded account. So is what it is. Here's where we're at. I mean, it's not horrible by any stretch. I mean, it's not a big red day. It's very manageable. It's frustrating. It's frustrating more than anything. Still green on the week. You know, there's the day. Nothing crazy. I do want to show you a couple entries. Here's this last one. This is just, yeah. I mean, look at this. The market's holding. You get the strong push. You get the EMA cross. You get a wick candle holding, wick candle pushing. I mean, those candles are telling you that there's buyers here. And we've had buyers for the last 8 days in a row. This market's just gone up, 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 up. I get in, and I just didn't have my stop quite far enough down. And I get tick stopped. I get stopped to this stupid tick. And then the thing runs. I mean, that's just, I still can't get over that. That's not happened to me in a while. But to see that move happen after getting that, it just, yeah. Anyway, sorry. I'm kind of ranting a little bit because it's frustrating. I can't lie. It's frustrating. Here's the stats for the week. So on the Lucid accounts, we're up 200. I guess those are new accounts that we're up on to start off. So there's a positive. We're up 800 and 600 on the 105 and 106 accounts on the week. And then accounts 107, 8, and 9, we're up almost 200. And then accounts 10, 11, and 12, the brand new ones, we're down 4 and 3. And then the Take Profit Trader account down here, we're down about 500. So I guess I'd rather have that on day one, get it back, and move on, hopefully. So, yeah, it was one of those days. It is what it is. All right, I got to stop rambling. Thanks again, you guys. Thanks for following along. Let me know how you did today. Did you like today or did you dislike today? I'm sure someone made a lot of money today. It just wasn't yours truly. So, anyway, thanks again for following along. Thanks for supporting the channel. We'll catch up with you on the next one. Take care, and so long.